walk with me. It's an Easter walk.
Hey, Abby and Grandpa.
Happy girl. Want to hold Grandma's hand while you walk? Let's get a picture of this from the front.
Yeah?
Hi.
Hi, kid.
She got really jealous at the beach. A lot of people brought their wagons onto the beach in Capitola. Like, that's where they go through. They transported their kids and, like, their moms and stuff. They just...
Wave to Daddy. Wave to Daddy.
Can you wave
Hi,
to Daddy?
sweetie. Can you wave hello?
Can you say Happy Easter?
Hello.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, kid.
What are we going to do now? She's a doggy. That's
Here comes a doggy.
everything inside the baby goats.
Hello, dog. Hello.
Wait, Abby, Abby, look at Mommy and say cheese. Abby, look at Mommy.
Yes.
I got you two, and I got one of those. Oh, you want all three?
Yeah, all three.
Woof.
I think I'll stop, John.
Abby, look at Mommy.
Where's Mommy?
Can you see Mommy, Abby? Abby. Abby.
Hey, doggy.
He's okay.
Hey, doggy.
Oh, Dixie.
Abby, look at, can you say hello? Right, over here. Abby, over there. Can you say hello? Hello. Say hi, Dixie.